RG188AU coaxial cable is made with a stranded, silver-coated copper-clad steel conductor, PTFE dielectric, overall silver-coated copper braid shielding, and PTFE jacketing. It's rated from -55 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius with a voltage rating of 1200 volts. RG188AU is used in many high-performance data transmission and communication applications, including radio frequency, broadcast, and video. RG188A cable may also be used where high-temperature performance is required. For more information on these parts and others, or to submit orders and RFQs online, visit www.awcwire.com.